So guys, this is the final lecture in this section. We're going to display a choose file, like a file, something like that. So change the profile picture. Okay, so back to my code editor where we're displaying the user image. I guess, where was it? I'll get profile picture. Okay, so within this div I'm gonna add an input. I'll just create a little form. So it's gonna have an input, type of file, name is gonna be profile underscore pic. Okay, and there's no need for a value. So we're also gonna have an input, type of submit, the name sorry, it's gonna be upload, and add some classes to it, and just say btn, and add the btn in front. Okay, and the value is gonna be upload. Okay, so let's go back and see what we have. So refresh, and we should see that. Okay, so we have this choose file, and probably that should be out of this div. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it out and paste it right here. Okay, so it looks great. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and I don't like the way it's looking, so let's just cut it and see where we can put it that will not affect. Okay, let's just put it after this. Let's just leave it where it was and just add a break tag to it. Okay, and I'll probably add 2 break tags and change this to, okay, let's just leave it as h6. So I'm gonna refresh, and we should grab something nice now. Okay, so we have some space. Okay, so if I click on choose file, it should take me to where I have to choose the files. But before then, we need to add a method. It's going to be a post method. The action is going to be submitting to itself, and the enc type is going to be multi-part /form data. Okay, so for it to be able to upload images. All right, so let's create a function to do that right at the top. Okay, so I'll write an if statement. So if is set $_ post upload, I guess that was the name, upload, where was it? Okay, upload, and it's a post method. Okay, and is set $_ files, that's the upload profile picture. Okay, so I don't know why I keep forgetting what I put there. That was profile underscore pic. Okay, so profile underscore pic. Then we want to run this query right here. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to grab the directory. That's where we want the image to upload to. Okay, so we want it to go to the assets. Actually, since we're here, we need to go back once, and it should be in the assets folder. So assets / images / profile underscore pics default. Okay, so that's where we need the image to be. Okay, so the next one is going to be the target file. So let's just say target is going to be equal to, then we have the directory, and we're going to concat it with the base name, and the path is going to be $_ files. If you don't understand, just follow along. So files, and we're going to have that should be profile underscore pic, and that's the name. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to accept should be a PNG or a JPG file. Okay, so let's just go and create another. let's just say type is going to be equal to $_files profile underscore pic, and we're going to grab the type and the size $_files, and what should we do? That should be the profile underscore pic and the size. Okay, so let's write an if statement. So if type is not equal to image /jpeg, or type is not equal to image /png, then we want to throw an error. So header location profile.php user id is equal to our id variable, and we're going to add, and message is equal to file type not allowed. Okay, so else if, then the size, we're going to go with the size. So if size is greater than 2 million, that is 2 megabytes. Okay, so 2 million bytes gives you 2 megabytes. Okay, so we go 30, how many zeros we have here? I think, is it 2 million or 20 million? I guess let's just go with 2 million for now. If it doesn't work, then we know. So 2. Okay, I'll just go with 2 million. Okay, so I'll copy this header file, actually the header function, not the file, paste it, and the message is file is large. Okay, so else we want to upload the file. So this is the function. So we're going to take it from the temporary directory and we're going to put it in our assets folder. Okay, so $_files, and we're going to grab the temporary name. Actually, that should be profile_pic, and we're going to grab the tmp_name, and we're going to put it in our destination, which is target. Okay, so after that we're going to update the query. So MySql _query is going to be equal to, we're going to pass in the connection, and we're going to update. Okay, so update users set profile_pic equal to the target. Okay, where id is equal to the id. Okay, and after that we're gonna, I'll just paste in, and the message is profile_updated. Okay, so let's try that out. I'm gonna refresh, and I'm gonna click on choose file, and I'm gonna upload a picture of myself. So I'm gonna click on choose file, and I'm going to choose a nice picture. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go to Recover, where I recovered my files. So videos, and go to Recover. Okay, I just recovered some of these files. So where is the image? Face up. Okay, this is me. So I'm going to click on it, and hopefully, how many megabytes? Okay, it's not large. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload. It's going to take some seconds to upload the files in the background, and come on, you have to show up. Okay, so it has showed up. So I'm going to click on upload, and hopefully we get no errors. Okay, file type not allowed. What is the file that we're using? No, let's just get rid of that and see. So refresh. Okay, so let's try that out once more, and if it doesn't work out, then we're gonna inspect it and see what went wrong. Okay, so that should be face app. I'm gonna click on open, then click on upload, and we get profile updated. Okay, so I'm going to check my directory to see if the image is actually there. Okay, so back to my directory, you can see that the image has been uploaded. Okay, so all we need to do is head back to the to our profile page where we were displaying the profile picture. We just need to get rid of this 2 / and we should grab our profile picture. Okay, so I'm going to refresh, and you can see now the profile picture is there. Okay, so we can, all we need to do is go back to the functions where we're writing that. Okay, and okay, so that's it, that's okay for now. I'm gonna fix that maybe in the extra features of this lecture, because I just want to go directly to the news site. Okay, so I'll see you then. Bye.